Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a lot of you have been asking me about my Windows wallpapers. There was another one that I had before, and I have this new one here, and you guys have been asking me, where did you get these wallpapers? They're kind of beautiful. So these are AI-inspired wallpapers, a little bit in the Windows 12 theme, because that's pretty much how we've kind of seen Windows 12 introduced, even though we don't have any ideas yet of what it is going to be like, but very colorful pictures and Windows logos. So the ones that I have, and there's a selection so you can choose them, is from a Neowin article. I'm going to actually point you to the Neowin article that I'll post in the description below. And these are made they're kind of they're generated by artificial intelligence, and they're very, very beautiful and really look like authentic Windows logos. So on this page, you can either click on one of the pictures and that you see at the top, and you'll see that there's a slider. You can choose which one you want. When you want to change, what you do, and simply right click on one of the pictures and save the image as. You can give it a name if you want. Once it's saved, you're going to be able to open it, and of course the photo app's going to open. Here you can right click, you can say set as background, and immediately you should be having that in the background. Now, if it doesn't fit, because you might actually be doing it and it's like, whoa, it's not working. I have a blank screen, or I have a weird color, or something is not right. If that happens to you, what you need to do is simply go into the Settings app and Personalization, and in the background picture, make sure that you choose Fill as the option for to choose fit for your desktop image. If your selection is at fit or stretch or span or another, it can actually make the picture's not going to show. You're going to be kind of just in one part of the picture. It's going to be weird. So just fill, and it's going to work. So choose one of the options, it's definitely going to work. So that's where I got my wallpaper pictures. Just go to the article that the link is below from Neowin. Check them out if you want one. This is how you can set them up in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.